Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Me Miralia Amira binti Rashid. My matric number 067661 would like to share about lifestyle factors that affect mental health, such as lack of physical activities. For a start, I would like to begin. Physical activity is defined as failure to accumulate at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity or 75 minutes of vigorous physical activities or the combination of both intensities per week. This is based on the recommendations of the World Health Organization, we call WHO. The words not only continuing but also initiating physical activity is associated with better survival and function. First thing first, I would like to start by what causes of physical activity. My first point is lack of motivation. You are not human if you not suffer from a lack of motivation at some point in your life. Everyone has experienced the feeling. It might have been something small or it might be something you have struggled with you. It is important to know why lacking motivation is common. One of the things could be the reason. For example, not doing enough. This might seem like a statement, but it's true. If you're suffering from a lack of motivation, it might be that you are not doing enough. If you simply decide to get started on some activity, even if you don't like it, your motivation might fail you. Moving to my next point, which is lack of energy. This can be described as tiredness or fatigue. Lack of energy can be normal response to inadequate sleep, disease, overworking, or stress. When part of normal response, lack of energy often results in rest, adequate sleep, stress management, and good nutrition. Persist lack of energy that does not result with self-care may be due to a variety disease, disorders, or condition. Then, how can physical activity affect our mental health? Firstly, disease. For example, heart disease. Not getting enough physical activity can lead to heart disease even for people who have no other risk factors. It can also increase the likelihood of developing other heart disease risk factors, including obesity, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, and 2-type diabetes. Next, your sleep is suffering. Not getting enough sleep at night may not seem like something to worry about, but if it happens regularly, it can usher in a host of health problems. Lack of sleep can alter your mood significantly. It causes irritability and anger and may lessen your ability to cope with stress. Chronic sleepiness puts you at greater risk for depression. They are so closely linked that sleep and mood affect each other. And lastly, how to overcome physical activity. As I have said earlier, monitor your daily activities for 1 week. Add physical activity to your daily routine, such as take the stairs and exercise while you watch TV. For example, get up early. If your days are packed and the evening hours are just hectic, get up 30 minutes yearly twice a week to exercise. Once you have adjusted to early morning workouts, add another day or two to the routine. Next, during phone calls, try to stand, stretch or move and walk around some, if possible. Next, choose activities you enjoy. You will more likely to stay interested. Remember, anything that gets your moving counts. For example, invite a friend to exercise with you regularly or join an exercise group or class. Also, you can drive less, walk more, but farther away from your destination. I would like to conclude by saying that people who exercise regularly have better mental health and emotional well-being, and lower rates of mental illness. Any exercise is better than none, but expert recommended adults should be active most.